Hello everyone, my name is Anusha. Welcome to my presentation that is NREGA Analysis by Power BI. So under the guidance of Mentorness. So let's see the what are the agenda of this presentation. So that is first we are going to know what is NREGA before analyzing the data or before doing the data analysis by using Power BI. We have to know what is NRGA. So that is important thing. Next, we have to understand and processing the data set. So pre-processing means converting the raw data into understandable format. So that is the next important thing. So third one is the we have to understand the problem statement and we have to uh, provide the solution using the dashboard. So last one is the we have to give the key features and what are the insights in the data set. So let's see what is NREGA. So NREGA means National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. So it is a very important government act scheme which was launched in 2005. So later on the name was changed as Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. So it is a guaranteed 100 days of wage employment annually to rural households. So workers engage in various public works projects contributing to rural development and infrastructure in this scheme. So this scheme, what it does means the wages earned through this scheme provide a source of income for many rural families. It was a great scheme. By using this scheme, we are going to analyze the data and we have to project that in we have to analyze the data by using Power BI. Let's see next what is the next agenda. So next agenda is we have to understand and pre-processing the data set. So for understanding, we are seeing the column name and description of the data set which they have provided. Like we can see the data state name and district name with the following district descriptions. So this is the data overview. So this is also same. So next, I already said about pre-processing. So when we insert or when we extract or when we insert the raw data into Power BI, it converts a raw data into understandable format. So that this is the understandable format we can see here. So next, the agenda is a problem statement solution using dashboard. So first the problem statement is how effective is NREGA in providing employment opportunities to rural households. So by using pie chart, we are given we have displayed the solution. So we can see the state-wise unemployment rate in percent and we can see the state-wise government's labor budget and we can see state-wise number of active workers. So this is the solution for the first problem statement. Next, in the problem statement 2, are there regional disparities in the implementation and outcomes of the scheme? So for the solution, here we have used by using pie chart and bar chart, we have displayed the solution for the problem statement. Next one is uh, the other disparities between the number of job cards issued and number of job cards are active. The more the difference, the more it shows inconsistencies. So here by using pie chart, we have displayed the solution. Next problem statement is what is the solution? What is the utilization of the allocated budget and how does it correlate with employment generation? Here we are using donut chart and stackled bar chart for displaying the solution. For displaying the analysis, we can see the different states we have displayed. So well, the next problem statement is what are the key factors contributing to the completion of NREGA works and are there any read blocks to its success? So for this solution we have used pie chart, donut chart and stacked column chart for displaying the NREGA insights. So next, so can data-driven insights guide policymakers and administrators in optimizing the scheme's impact? So for this problem statement, I have displayed in five different ways like performance evaluation, resource allocation and predictive modeling, fraud detection and impact assessment. By using this five, I have justified the answer or the solution for that problem statement. So that's all about the PPT presentations. Thank you. So now we can see the final outcome of or the final outcome for the Power BI. And here I have the two sheets which I have done. So thank you, Mentorness for this opportunity.